Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of this CWI Stallion cabinet table saw. This is not any sponsor video. I just decided to make this video because I couldn't find like an unboxing video about this saw at all on YouTube. There's only one video and I couldn't find anything. Everything we look is about other brand but not this one. So this is a Canadian brand, of course, the name is in the name, and this saw is sold by CWI. If you guys do not know, CWI is a company based in Canada. They use, I think the owner used to work with General International, so they manufacture this saw now, I think in the same factory in Taiwan that used to manufacture those equipment from General International. And yeah, so this is about this video, and as you can see there's lots of boxes at the back and everything is going to be opened up, and you will see how everything is shipped to you. I live in Toronto and this was shipped from all the way to Taiwan, and then it was put like delivered into Vancouver and then was sent to us here in Toronto via the rail and then delivered here home. Thank you. As you can see, now the plastic has been removed, and this the only thing left is the actual cabinet saw on the crate. And again, this is CWI Stallion, so have to get it out. If you can see, I don't know if you can see here, this was made in October 2020, and yeah, so this is the day the video is being filmed is December 30th 2020, so it's pretty new, straight from the factory. Quick look at the fence and the rails. So this is a tube, scale, the slide indicator, the hardware, and this is the manual. As you can see guys, this is a very good finish. The gloss on these things is like really amazing, and these angle iron are like, they are no joke. They are really like sturdy, and it's not your usual stuff. So really good. And that's a fence. So we're going to clean up. Let's check the top here. Wow. So I have some mineral spirit and some rag. Just going to clean this baby here. Don't forget the sides. Check this, guys. Look at the quality of the grime, the sheen. This is like matte mirror polish. Oh. So the left side extension table is mounted, and as you can see, it's pretty dead flat. Check it. And I'm using this technique, saw it on some videos on YouTube. Use a piece of wood, you clamp it here, and then you use this as a brace, like this surface, and you put it on top here. And these are the free bolts, so it goes bolt, washer, and a lock washer. Now I'm going to install the hardware. So you have two rib fence storage bracket. These two mount down over there. You have the handwheel shaft, two of those. Just mount here. These are like really heavy stuff. You can use that as a hammer or something. And also this is the miter gauge holder, which mounts somewhere down over there. So all the bracket and everything has been installed. Off the camera, I also installed the cover that cover the back of the motor here. And next we are going to tackle the fence. So these are the hardware that comes with the fence and the rail assembly, and this is the front angle iron, pretty heavy, and this should be the back, and yeah, so let's do it. So for the front fence rail, basically you have those big holes which is on the extension wings, so you have to mount one here, one left, and one on the right first, and then after that you have to mount it on the table itself, on the the main table itself. So it's this one and would be this one, and of course you have to use those flat kind of screw, and yeah, let's do it. So now I am going to install the front fence tube. This guy here, a bunch of holes underneath it, and it will be mounted in this position, but it will be on this rail here, and there are 7 bolts that needs to be used. This one here, the last one, we have to do it last because we have to mount the switch underneath it here with this last one. So I initially tried to start the screw, but because I think they have some paint in it, so it was a bit difficult for me to it was like those screws was not catching here. So what I did, off camera, I took one of the screw and tried to run it in all the holes, and as well, I am going to use a piece of tape to secure the tube to the rail here, just so that I can start the few of those screw, because when I tried to do it, these things just fell off, and nothing happened, but kind of, just make sure you secure that with a piece of tape when you do it. Very quick tips. So this distance between this angle iron and the tube has to be like the inside here has to be exactly the same. This is very critical because your fence will glide on it, and if it's not equidistance, so like from this rail and the tube here, so your fence will not be square while it move on the top of the table. So yeah, off camera I went ahead and mount this switch, the magnetic switch, and it also came with a lock pin as well. Next I'm going to mount the back rail. So finally the setup is done. The fence is set up, the tape is on, everything has been zeroed, and yeah, we just need to power it up and see how it does. So the saw is plugged in. I use a 12 gauge extension cord with it. So let's power this baby up. It has a brake. Previous saw that I used to own, especially the contractor saws, they don't have the brake, so the blade would be spinning, probably would be stopping maybe by now. But this one stopped right away, so that's a good thing, and it's really nice. Yeah, you can hear the brake, like yeah, it activates the brake. Now I'm going to put a piece of wood to it and see how we chew it. So I have a piece of pine here. This is going to be the first cut. So here it is.